Welcome back, Applied Art students. This is our third week using Khan Academy's Imagineering in a Box. We're on lesson 3. On lesson 1, the first week, we designed a world or a land. In lesson 2, we designed an attraction. And for lesson 3, we're going to bring a character to life. We're going to create our own characters. And they can be related to the other two lessons. If you created a land or a world or an attraction that you really enjoyed in the first 2 weeks, you can link this character to that. But if you just want to rethink the whole thing and create a character that is outside of those worlds or attractions, that's fine too. So just like the last 2 weeks, we're going to work our way through the video clips. They're short, they're very informative and entertaining. I actually really enjoyed going through that myself. And then we're going to try the exercises and just like the last weeks, focus on a couple of them. Okay. So the two most important exercises this week, and again, please don't skip the videos, that's a big part of this, would be exercise 1, which is it's going to ask you questions that you're going to eventually have to submit at the end. So you want to take this part seriously about what your character is all about and who that character is. And then the other exercises that is going to be the main artwork that you're going to submit this week that I need you to take care and detail in creating is exercise 3, which is a character sheet. But you're going to work your way through in order first. Okay, so there are you know tutorials about what character types you might be interested in, what they might be wearing through costumes, and that'll all help you to develop your character sheet. The other exercises after exercise 3 are important for you to view and try, but I'm not as concerned about you turning in the work for those. Okay, so the main focus of this week's assignment is exercises 1 through 3 and the videos about those exercises. I do still want you to work your way through the videos and exercises after those, except what you're turning in are your answers from exercise 1 and your answers from and your character sheet from exercise 3. So just like before, you're starting at the beginning. You'll watch a video, which is an intro. It'll talk to you about character types. And then this is the exercise 1 that you will be turning in your answers for. So you'll read through it. What I'm going to do to make this a little easier is all these questions that it's asking you here, I'm going to throw those on our submission form, and you'll just kind of type your responses in the submission form. That way I know that you went through exercise 1. And then as far as the character sheet, this is kind of explaining to you what that is, so you'll watch this video. But the character sheet itself, you could do by hand, or if you prefer to do it on like a digital sketchbook app or something like that, that would be fine too. But the character sheet should have one character, and it should have multiple views of that character and kind of like talking about, their functions, their emotions, their backstory. So you're jotting down notes about what we should know about this character, but we're also seeing different viewpoints of them, like from a front view, a side view, different facial expressions. It doesn't have to look like this. You can create it yourself, but this is a character that you've made up. We're not picking a random Disney character. The assignment is for you to create your own character. Okay, so just make sure that you read all the directions on these exercises before you start, and you'll submit all that at the end like we usually do through that form link that's in the assignment. Okay, good luck. I can't wait to see what you come up with. This will be the last exercise for this Imagineering in a Box challenge.